What's up?
Everything is covered in water. Are you fucking serious?
Hey Vizzo, stay the fuck out the kitchen.
Stop being a fucking idiot, man. Out, beaming. Feta is down here, yeah?
Am I allowed to
Yeah. Just don't put it back in this hole, because then it fucking chips.
The bowl was so happy that was pretty nice. The fries are both dependent on.
Got it. Then after that, can you grab my parm bites from pizza? Chicken sandwich, Euro, side tzatziki, 3 ketchup. 2 other side ketchup. Tenders. Greek fries. Boom. Yeah, there's some in here. And then we're looking for 2, well, a cheese slice and a sausage slice for 44. That goes with the parm bites. It's gonna be like 2 minutes. I need those dropped ASAP. We have our 3 tenders. We have our burger working. Our mod sticks are coming up right now. Cheese sausage, parm bites, 2 ranch. That's for this gentleman right there.
How you been, man?
I've been good. busy,
I
but
told you last time if I had to.
nah, you don't have to do that. You don't
I
have to do
used to
that.
work in the service industry. I know how it goes.
I'll give it to the house, but I appreciate that. I want to have more conversations with you, but
Yeah, no,
I'm busy.
I
But
get how busy it is. I'll try and come in on a more quieter time.
all right, cool. All right, man, have a good one. Enjoy. He's chill. That shit almost just took me out. That shit almost just took me out. Not today though, we fucking survived. Can't shit beat me, bro. Can't shit stop me, bro. Marinara. 2 cheese sauce. Can you also grab me a RC no ice? That's for that to go order, 43. Yeah. Whoever has a second. This is all good. Just gotta double check.
Okay, yeah, that's not very much.
Cool.
I handed out 44. I was like, wait. Not very much.
Cool. Simple. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. More content to come. Trust and believe.